Hey there, foodies! Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances to cook your favorite meals? Well, I've got something that will make your life so much easier: the Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven from the Foodie series. Let me introduce you to this powerhouse oven appliance. The Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven is a versatile 10-in-1 kitchen companion that combines the functions of an air fryer, toaster oven, and convection oven all in one sleek stainless steel design. It's perfect for anyone looking to save space in their kitchen without compromising on cooking capacity. One of the key benefits of the Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven is its impressive 1,800 watts of power, which means it can handle everything from quick snacks to full family meals with ease. It's designed to fit a 5-pound chicken or a full sheet pan of vegetables, making it ideal for feeding a crowd or meal prepping for the week ahead. Now, let's talk about some of the amazing features this appliance offers. With 10 customizable cooking functions, including air fry, air roast, bake, toast, dehydrate, and more, the Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven gives you endless possibilities in the kitchen. Whether you're craving crispy fries, juicy chicken, or perfectly baked cookies, this appliance has got you covered. But how exactly can you use this Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven in your daily cooking routine? Let me give you some inspiration. Picture this: you wake up on a lazy Sunday morning and decide to whip up a delicious brunch. With the Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven, you can easily toast your bread, air fry some bacon, and bake a batch of muffins all at the same time. It's a game changer for busy mornings when you need a hearty meal without the hassle. Now, let's talk about why the Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven stands out from the competition. Compared to traditional ovens, this appliance cooks food up to 50% faster, thanks to its powerful convection technology. This means you can enjoy your favorite dishes in a fraction of the time without sacrificing flavor or texture. Here's a pro tip: when using the air fry function, try rotating your trays halfway through cooking to ensure even crispiness on all sides. It's a simple trick that will take your air frying game to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your cooking experience with the Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven from the Foodie series. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to delicious, hassle-free meals every day. Don't miss out on this must-have kitchen essential. Order your Ninja Air Fryer and Toaster Oven today and start cooking like a pro.